Hello everyone, welcome to Li's Kitchen. Today I'm going to making Chinese crispy chow mein. Those noodles I bought from the Chinese superstore. It's about 900 grams. It's good to serve for 4 to 5 people. And now let's get started. I'm going to make the sauce first. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, half teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, cornstarch, 2 teaspoons cornstarch, and put some water. Just mix well the sauce and let the cornstarch dissolve in the sauce. Put it aside. Now I'm going to prepare the vegetables, and you can use anything in your fridge. Today I use broccoli and already hand pulled it and wash it. And I use some oyster mushroom and the pepper and carrots, and let's cut it. Now I'm going to prepare the vegetables, and I have some ginger. I cut the ginger first. I'm going to making seafood chow mein, so I already prepared the shrimp and the scallops. I put some ginger and cooking one to mix them and let it sit aside. Now I'm going to chop the vegetable. Those are all the ingredients I'm going to use today. I like to use a lot of vegetables, so make it one main dishes. And now I'm boiling some water on the stove, and some of the vegetables need to be boiling in the water, also the noodle as well. Okay, we just wait for the water to be boiling. The water is boiling. Now I'm going to put the vegetable in. It's the carrots, boiling for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to boil the noodle. The noodle already steamed what I bought, but I need to put it in the water to make it softer. It's too harsh. And just once it's steamed up, and just for half minutes, turn to medium heat. Let it just soak into the water, maybe just 15 seconds. The noodle all softened. Just take it out. Don't need to put it in the cold water, just turn over a few times, let it cool down, and leave it aside. Now I'm going to cook over the pan of the shrimp and the scallops. Wait until the pan hot. It's hot. Put some oil, let it all evenly coated. Put the shrimp in first. And now put the scallops in. Put a pinch of salt. Going to turn off the heat. Now going to fry the noodles. Put 1 tablespoon oil. Need a little bit more oil. Even we use less oil at home, but still need more oil to make it brownish, crispy. And in the restaurant, they just deep fry the noodle. Put the noodle in the pan and evenly distribute it. Turn the heat to medium. Each side should be 6 to 8 minutes. And just keep stirring a little bit on the top. And in the meantime, we can prepare the vegetables. Heat the oven to high and put some oil. Put the stove to high and wait until the oil, you can see the steam. I'm going to put the green onion and the garlic first. Until the onion is a little soft, put the pepper in. Add some water. Put the cooked shrimp and the scallops in. Meantime, we need to check the noodles once a while to see the bottom. The bottom is yellow now. We can flip and turn to the other side. Before we turn, we should put a little oil on the top so it will be easily to turn into brown. Look, it's already crispy. Let's cook the other side for a few minutes and go back to the vegetables now. Now I'm going to put the sauce and adjust the water if we need more or less. Before turning it off, we need to add sesame oil. The vegetable is ready. Well, it needs to turn back and forth. Wow, this side is ready. Now the noodle is ready. I'm going to put some vegetables on the top. Put some sauce on the side. It's ready to serve. It's very crispy from the noodles, and you can see it's all brown and crispy, and those covered with the vegetables are tender. Thank you for watching. See you next time.